Well, on the newsroom, a quick news alert that's coming in right now. Anil Ambani will have to appear before the 2G Special Court to depose as a witness. Now, the 2G Special Court will decide at a later date if Tina's presence is required or not as a witness. We're getting in more details. Meenakshi on the phone line with us. Yes, Meenakshi.
Yes, absolutely. Just some time back, the 2G Special Court, wherein the 2G trial is currently underway, has ordered for Anil Ambani to appear to record his statements as a witness in the case. It has been a hotly contested matter that we have witnessed thus far. You will recall on an earlier occasion, Anil Ambani had sought exemption from personal appearance, and today his counsels again moved a plea before the 2G Special Court, citing the Supreme Court, saying that Supreme Court is still seized of their matter, and the Supreme Court has reserved its orders insofar as Anil Ambani Reliance Telecom's plea is concerned pertaining to his appearance before the 2G Special Court to record his statements as a witness. That plea today has been dismissed, and alongside what is interesting is the fact that the 2G Special Court has made an observation that at a later date, if at all the Apex Court were to go ahead and grant relief to Anil Ambani, in that scenario, all the statements or the evidences which Anil Ambani will be recording tomorrow before the 2G Special Court will be washed off from record. That is in a scenario at a later date, if being the operative word, the Supreme Court were to indeed go ahead and grant relief. But for now, the big news coming out, no latitude shown this time by the 2G Special Court to Anil Ambani, making it specifically clear that he will indeed have to show up tomorrow and make his statements as a witness. Back to you.